Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Ramadan Mubarak. How are you guys doing? Today is Ramadan day 6. No, yeah, day 6 or day 7. Day 7. Today is Ramadan day 7. Oh my goodness, it is going by so fast. I have no idea where this speed is going to, but may Allah count us among those that will see it through, all through to the end, and accept our ibadah and our worship. So how are you guys doing? I have just been the routine is not coming together. I wake up, do sahur, take the kids to school, come back and just sleep or rest or edit a video. That is what I've just been doing. So my house is a mess. I need to do touch-up cleaning, which is due. It's been due since the weekend, okay, but I've not done it, and that is what we're going to do today. Just touch up on cleaning. I already brought chicken out that I'm thawing, but touch up kitchen, dishes, the living area. So I won't be talking much in this vlog. You guys are just going to be watching me clean, so please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into it. Hey guys, so I am finally done. It is currently 6 p.m. In short, I think I'm running late for Iftar. It is 12 minutes past 6. I am running late for Iftar, but we're going to be having burger and chicken wings today, so I'm not too bothered. Burger border. So yeah, I'm done cleaning. My environment is decent. I did not realize that it's been 2 weeks since the cleaners came in. When I was sweeping, I was seeing so much dirt. I was like, why is it so dirty? Did the cleaner not just come clean it? But I now figured that when the cleaners came to clean, I was actually very ill a week to Ramadan, that I did not do anything 1 week. I was in bed 1 week to Ramadan. The first day I got out of bed before Ramadan was that vlog you guys saw. The day before Ramadan, I was sick for that whole week. So the kids were downstairs for the most part when I was sick, yeah, so that I could recover. So I guess that is why the floor was so dirty, because I was wondering, like you could tell that it does not need mopping. It is just, kids eat stuff, dump stuff. Then Ansar was the one that spent most of the time downstairs, like, because Haria was always busy reading, doing one thing or another. So I'm sweating, but it's a good sweat. My environment is all clean. When I'm going to bed, I'm going to switch on the Roomba, that is the sweeping machine. I'm going to leave it on so that it can lift off dirt, because I just used the brush to pick up the big dirt that just to give the floor a good clean. But a start. But once the Roomba goes on and it cleans, it's going to almost feel like it actually mopped it, but it's going to lift most of the dust particles that I couldn't pick up. So I took time to pray Asr, so I don't need to pray. I am going to just dive into the kitchen and start cooking. Go rinse my face because I don't like this sweat. I should have rinsed it before I came on, but I just want to end this vlog here. My incense is burning. I have two, one at the entrance there and one here, and I have the window open slightly just to because it's going to really get cloudy with smoke here. So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed. Ramadan Mubarak.